to slot the pin in. I hope that pin just doesn't fall out now that I've pulled it out. Whoa, YouTube. Yo, YouTube, that looks crazy. Yo, YouTube, that looks crazy. Hey, cuz, this looks crazy. Before, after. Before, after. Before, after. Before, after. Aye, that is just, doesn't that look 100% more better? That whole big silver piece right there. Let me see if you can see it from the front of the car. Oh no, not really. I thought you could see it through the window. Guys, I think that looks 1000% way more better. Like, time for this one. I'm just gonna do it that way. Just clap it from there. So, yo, that looks 1000% more better. Like, way better. Way. Right. Time for part two. So this flappy paddle, you know, flappy paddle, that's one mash up. I'm gonna put it in the bag. Just gonna go in the bin. So I'm gonna carefully, get outside the car. Oh, that's in the perfect spot right there. Obviously, don't be as heavy-handed as I am. My thing, I just yank the thing out. Boy, one time, you see how it just come out and just the whole thing just dropped. Alright, where did, where did that go? Remember, when installing, to put that side and then the hoop side in, yeah? It just makes more sense to me. Oh, so that's how it shifts. Do you know what I was thinking? How the fuck? The gearbox is down there. You press it on the steering wheel. How does it shift the gear or send the signal? Just seen a motherboard in the back of like the flappy paddle. It's mad. I've got a motherboard in my steering wheel, apart from the airbag. Fucking hell, mate. It's new life to me. It's all new to me. Right, last pin to go back in. Ain't that right? So why is this shifted? So I wanna know. Why is the pin not? Make sure they're all lined up, yeah. Right, so you sort of gotta hold it a bit to ensure that it lines up where you want it to line up. Oh yeah, there we are. That's clicked in. Also, I didn't even realise when it goes in, it makes a little click. Got the two stock there. I am happy. Happy days. Happy days. Time. When Mark said large up yourself, I don't really think he meant like this. I hate dry steering on the, so I'm gonna move a little bit. There we are. Bruv. That looks mad. The sound. Can tap it from here. It's mad. Just seeing that when I'm driving is just mad. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. Pop.